What is going on, all? I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Volvo Key. This is from a 2019 XC90. I am not sure, but I'm guessing that a lot of the 2019 Plus models are the same way. So if your key looks something like this, then this video is probably for you. First thing we're going to do is find this little black thing right here, and we're going to slide that. Hear this? See how it slides, has a little bit of a spring action? Let's show you how this works. All right, now I was able to figure this out on my own, but I figure some people out there are gonna get a little stuck because it was a little tricky. So this thing right here slides one way. See that? Slides there. Now when you do that, the part with the Volvo on it will be able to pop off if you push it down. It just happened, right? I'll put it back. Now it's back. I'm gonna slide it down and pull this off. Now it's popped off, I can peel it open. Now, something that I didn't realize is you're gonna have a spare key in there. See that spare key? I'm not sure where that goes, but in a separate video I will probably show you how to use this because I never knew that we had this and I was always wondering what would happen if our key went totally dead on us. So we're just going to toss that aside. If you didn't catch that, that just peels out. I'll put that back in for you. That just peels out from the back right there like that. Now at this point I'll show you with a screwdriver, which you will need a screwdriver by the way for the next step. So if you look in here, there's two spring activated slides. There's one there. All right, that's the one that we don't need right now, and there's one here. If you look really closely, I'm not sure if the camera will pick this up in the lighting, there's a plus sign. That's the one we need to do. We need to slide that one this direction, right, just like that, and then we can peel the back plate off. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna use my thumb, slide it, push the plate down, and pop it off. Now we find a battery. All right, this battery, I think you should be able to do with your fingernail, but mine was quite difficult. That's where the screwdriver comes in handy. We're gonna take that screwdriver, you'll see there's a close and an open. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna display this. Close and open, you wanna just twist it towards the open side so that it lines up. And then this was really tough. It should pop off, but there's this little tiny groove over here that looks like you can get a screwdriver in just enough. Let's see if I can do this on the camera. There we go, to pop it up a little bit. Once you pop it up a little bit, just work your way around the circle until it pops all the way off. And there's your battery. Now your battery is held in by some prongs. All you gotta do is come over to this one-sided prong. See, there's two prongs there. Come to this one side and just gently, actually right over here, there's a little slot for the battery. Gently, I'm doing this upside down, lift out the battery. Let's see if I can work this upside down. There you go. All right, so that's how you get the battery out. You're gonna reverse those steps to get it in. Let's do that right now. Pretend you have a new battery. The numbers and the letters go up. These batteries are really easy. You just wanna line up the numbers. This is a 2032 CR. So if you do CR 2032, you can put any of those batteries in. Push it down there till it's under all three prongs. We're gonna put back in this plate, line up the open arrows. Once we line them up, we're gonna pop that down. Now it's flush. Take our screwdriver, turn it to the close. We're gonna take the back plate without the Volvo symbol on it. This one, the way you know to line it up if you've lost it, there's a tiny little slot in this corner right here, and that's where the locking mechanism goes. So you wanna take that slot and line it up with the locking mechanism. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then you get it close, just kind of pop it down. You'll feel it firmly goes down. It doesn't really snap into place so much until there. All right, so I kind of pushed it down and I pushed it this way till it snapped. Now we're gonna take our spare key, put that back in, snap that down, and then the Volvo sign, the arrow will point away from I guess this is the bottom of the key technically. Same way, we're gonna put this plate on, kind of push down very gently. You shouldn't have to push anything hard here, and then slide it forward. You'll hear a little click, and then you're good to go. All right, all, hopefully that helps somebody out there. All you need is a screwdriver. Actually, you really don't even need this if your battery is loose enough to twist with your fingernail. Mine felt like it was gonna break my fingernail. So with a screwdriver, you'll be able to get your battery out, and actually you'll be able to get into your spare key too. I don't know where that goes in the car. If I go find that out, I will link a separate video to show you how to get the spare key out and where to use that spare key in a pinch. Thanks for watching.